Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the DeepSeek network error. Even if the error isn't showing on my screen right now, these are the most effective solutions to try if you ever face this problem. First, open DeepSeek and try asking a question. If a network error appears, the first thing you should do is check your internet connection. Open another website to make sure your connection is working properly. Next, go back to DeepSeek and refresh the page. If you're using the app, close it completely and open it again. A simple restart can often fix temporary connection issues. If you're using DeepSeek in a web browser, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and sign in again. After that, make sure you're using the latest version of the DeepSeek app or your browser. Installing updates can fix bugs that may cause network problems. If the issue still isn't resolved, restart your phone or computer. Then, try using a different internet connection, such as switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or connecting to another Wi-Fi network. Finally, if nothing works, uninstall the DeepSeek app, install the latest version again, sign into your account, and check whether the problem has been fixed. That's all for this guide. I hope these solutions help you fix the DeepSeek network error. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.